Yeah. Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, yeah, enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
Good morning to you all. I praise your name. Emmanuel, God with us. Bosume foforo atoyen. Enti anapeba mu nyina afishia pa na mama mo akwaba aba Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM. Yeah, live on Facebook Rainbow Radio UK. Yeah, live on Alexa. So, catch Alexa. Say Alexa, I want to listen to Rainbow Radio UK. Audio beba aha ama with here. And I pay a legal hour with BWF Solicitors. Lawyer Eunice, what's nana kunda kesi anymore? Why crowd set and I pay on a young ebechiche and como. Ain't no me pese messay and re bebre. Me call BWF Solicitors for Akachina ma Aquacuchia Lawyer Eunice Namama no Aquaba. Lawyer Eunice, good morning.
Good morning, Afisha Pansuso.
Okay. I think lawyer Eunice on Temenka. Lawyer Eunice, what Temenka? Maintain one count.
Pasha, what's me there?
Me pass a water, but maintain one count. Me machine so ain't me patch over
Pasha,
check your microphone.
Pasha, what's this here?
Me tell one kapa. Yes.
Yeah, damn, yes.
Okay. A very good morning to each and every one of you out there. Your mama kwaba biom eba Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM NADAB plus. Mutie yen so ewo intintan kese no so a Facebook and I said tuning apps and I said Rainbow Radio your apps no and a pay legal hour with BWF Solicitors. Lawyer Eunice, I a crowd so ni between komo yeni emre bebre enti no mema no I go ahead na or the dwumadie no ahyehyɛ so lawyer good morning once again na watwe besin ko ye ɛdeɛn ɛna aba ɛwɔ sɛ yɛasote any updates.
Afisha fanso so anti-Irene.
Happy new
Yeah,
month.
aha, yɛda ase sɛ ɛnɛ being the 1st of December, yɛsan ahyia abiom. Ma me nkyia yɛtiefoɔ ne nkurɔfoɔ a ɔmo ɛrehwɛ yɛn either on Facebook anaasɛ YouTube so. Meda mo nyinaa ase, yɛda Nyame ase sɛ ɛnɛ de mo aka yɛn nsa a yɛtumi di dwumadie. Um, Happy new month to all of you listening to us and also viewing us. As you said, we are beginning a new month. Into as the month has started, we are hoping that it will end well with us. And then in terms of immigration also, so when it comes to our immigration law, not much has changed over the past few months. I know that within our immigration rules, terminology in Yama sisa kakranka because of the way things are being consolidated. But with Christmas coming and it's nearly here, they are saying that in terms of our festive foods, into your poultry, any produce now you produce so just for the Christmas, no, things may not be going so well, but they still need seasonal workers in see almost like I say so over UK for that 6 month period, just to come and help with the harvesting and putting of the food on the shelves of the shops now. Over to me, I application no up to the 31st of December in Senono Sano na o kasa o pesa obeboa in terms of the harvesting of the produce and the birds for yeah annual Christmas yeah every because the shops know say more often than not nkurɔfoɔ ɛbɛtotɔ nneɛma bebree just for this short period of time so that people can celebrate and be happy with each other. And then again, I know say there are those who are constantly finding out what they can do in terms of applications that ɔmo atum ɛne delays a ɛwɔ hɔ. Ebinom nso wɔ sika nti sɛ wowɔ sika na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ premium anaasɛ super priority application you can definitely pay that extra £800 to be able to have priority service. Senya with decision no able to me about in time. But if for one reason or the other went to me into for priority service now with the application akotum na o share senya eche any time almost almost by and which is over the 6 month period now then of course say oh lawyer able to me actual letter before claim ama home office for if a wo ankasa so na woyɛeɛ a you can do a complaint nti wokɔ .gov.uk na wotwerɛ complaint to the home office grandpa a ɔmobɛyi ɔmo form ama wo. You can either send the complaint over their website and answer you can write to them by email or by post nti ɛno nso ɛwɔ hɔ saa wobɛtumi ayɛ. Always remember say wotwerɛ complaint a wode wo reference number ɛbɛka ho anaasɛ your unique application number so ɛbɛka ho with details of your name, your date of birth, ɛne
or nationality and the information in regards to application na wode atom sɛnea wobɛtumi ahwehwɛ mu nsɛm na at least ɔmo bɛnya mboayɛ. With the complaints, no, I know say usually they will say they will respond between 30 to 40 days. You should also give room for time period, in terms of complaints. And then again, I know say yeah a chrome high, yeah EU for some of us were here before the 31st of December. And so yɛn a yɛwɔ hanom no as EU nationals and as EU family members and as yɛn kind of say you have retained your rights nti only EU ni any hɔ bio. Either sɛ moayɛ divorce and as EU ni no wafiri mu anaa kwan po sɛ wafiri kurom ha. So if you've retained your rights EU settlement scheme no ɛda so wɔ hɔ a ɛsɛ nkurɔfoɔ ɛyɛ. So wonim sɛ wobaa after 31st December 2020 nti date no yɛ 31st December 2020 deɛ unfortunately sɛ wonni record sɛ na wote kurom ha for at least 5 years anaasɛ wobɛtena kurom ha before 31st December 2020 it might be very difficult for you to be able to make that EU settlement scheme application because time beyond nkurɔfoɔ ɛfrɛ bisa sɛ ebia meba UK hanom 2001 mu hɔ mebaeɛ no mebɛgye me NI meyɛ adwuma kakra na mesan mekyi kɔɔeɛ mamba ha biom but seesei deɛ mepɛ sɛ mesan ba biom mɛtumi aba anaa. Unfortunately sɛ woambɛtena kurom ha na ɔmo ehu sɛ ebia wobaeɛ wabɛtena ɛhanom for a 5 year period anaa koraa mpo sɛ time na wofi hanom no ebia 5 years ɛmbaeɛ anaasɛ 5 years na so pɛpɛɛpɛ since a wofiri hanom nti ebia wo records no bɛtumi akyerɛ sɛ wonya wo 5 years ansa na wosan akɔ back to wo kurom. Ɛno no saa no at least ɔmo bɛtumi atwe wo record ahwɛ sɛ okay woyɛ adwuma wɔ hanom for a 5 year period nti ɛno no saa no na wopɛ sɛ yɛyɛ saa EU settlement scheme application ɛma wo sɛnea wobɛtumi akyerɛ sɛ na wotenaa kurom ha for that continuous 5 year period but due to certain things no ɛna wode firi hanom nti woasan aba back. Sɛ nte saa deɛ unfortunately no you will find it very very difficult to do the EU settlement scheme application. Nti EU for no a ɔmowɔ amanɔne anaasɛ EU countries no patwɛ monhyɛ no nso you can't just come just as you are. So to me ebisa in regards to your immigration rules sɛnea ɛte sisi a ansa na waba. Sɛ wohwehwɛ adwuma a wobɛhwehwɛ adwuma no ɔmo bɛma wo certificate of sponsorship ansa na wayɛ application no de aba. Woba visit a ɛsɛ sɛ wosan ɛkɔ back nti ɛsɛ sɛ wokyerɛ mu sɛ woba visit wobɛsan akɔ back nti ɛnyɛ sɛ woba kurom ha abɛtena wontumi ɛnyɛ EU settlement scheme na wo biribiara yɛ basaa nti patwɛ EU fo a moba no monhyɛ no nso sɛnea momba na mambɛka na maka sɛ na anka menim a na anka meyɛ saa nneɛma wei ansa na meba nti monhyɛ no nso. Auntie Irene patwɛ
Yo, lawyer Eunice, yeah, that's it. Now, we say, your friend is saying, you say, you bet me about the year for Christmas period. Are they very serious? On person, I'm just say, come here, you know.
I mean, to tell you the truth, they are trying to improve British nationals. I almost pay Juma. Almost say they need
Okay.
to improve and conform more snack room how pay Juma here. I mean, last week question time, make sure you know me say, it's good that they know that conform pay Juma. It's good to tell them that they need to set up and then the menial jobs I'm say enye Juma panel. They should start looking to do those jobs as well. So the harvesting and the cleaning and the other things I'm wondering say they don't have to do no. They have to start doing them because you can't always be looking to immigrants to come and do those menial jobs. Of course they have that on the appendix temporary worker route. So Oba as a seasonal worker is a
Okay.
temporary work route into Uber to me
Okay.
out just for that short period.
Okay. All right. And see, good news. Good news. For yeah, per se, yeah, a family member say baba yedruma na eja. Yes, Ghana yedin.
I
Sika mpede de krum. And you know, yembra mbe sika na yanko. Okay. And then no lawyer Eunice say our topic or per se on and discuss it. Sunny, you know, every Thursday be yeah, fat one subject na yeah discuss it. Nti lawyer Eunice say and then no question at that table ne so and then say can I apply as a dependent partner or child of an international student in the UK? Nti yɛbɛma lawyer Eunice kwan na saa asɛm yi wɔyi ano ama yɛn san sɛ ɔno na onim mmara no na afei asade wɔ fidie no ato ha aha yɛ Rainbow Radio yɛ live ɛwɔ Facebook no so Rainbow Radio UK and our Facebook here and so 92.4 FM and as a DAB plus Oko Alexa so I wo ye wo tuning and our Rainbow Radio your apps no and me patrol invite somebody those that are on Facebook me mamu special welcome na share the link na obi so enge ensure Lawyer Eunice can I apply as a dependent partner or child of an international student in the UK?
That's Irene. In terms of your topic, no, who is very skewed towards in Kofa or more your partners and answer in Kola or more back with students. And a lot of the time in Kofa more person as students are always asking and now campus say or by application if we gonna aba they want to know how they will apply for more partner and answer more banner or more and I just wanted to shed some light on it. And I can't put more Chrome had that with partner, on de banaba, and just to let people know what the rules are in terms of no no. So, for instance, Oba Hanum as a student, Abia Oba in terms of a course, usually in Crawford Moba as students, no, Abia Moba year course for 6 months or a bit longer. And also, a postgraduate course, which can be another undergraduate degree or a master's degree. And no, sano, should be for a period of 9 months or more. And now, campus, a PhD, I will chrome her in Sanoso Sano, they will be classified as a student. And also, no, say, oh, can say, oh, your students are waba chrome her, and I say, oh, your students are, oh, your application, and they aba chrome her. Now, we share your immigration rules in terms of unconfirm your dependence. It could be say you have a partner. Usually, say we share your immigration rules in terms of who a partner is. Almost say a partner is anybody you are married to. And now, Crampo say you will check say saa nimpa na one ne te no one na abɔ bra for more than 2 years. In say so to make sure say one ne saa nimpa no atena for a period of 2 years or more. And wokyerɛ home office case worker ne sɛ wo ne wo kunu no anaasɛ wo partner ɛwɔ relationship mu nti saa wo kunu anaasɛ wo partner no wo ne obiara apart from ɔno nti sɛ woaware da they want to see evidence sɛ woayɛ divorce sɛ ebia mo mmienu nso so munim sɛ moatena abom no they want to see evidence sɛ mo mmienu ampa mmom moatena together for that 2 year period anaasɛ montena together for that 2 year period ɛsɛ motumi kyerɛ sɛ moaware nti marriage certificate no wode ɛno no ɛna ɛbɛkyerɛ sɛ moaware nti moyɛ partners anaasɛ moyɛ ekunu ne ɛyere. They want to know some relationship na mo wom no genuine and subsistent nti ɛno no saa no wɔrekyerɛ sɛ ampa mo relationship etim mo kasa mo te bom anaasɛ nneɛma a kyerɛ sɛ at least nkurɔfoɔ anim sɛ moyɛ kunu ne yere no na wode ɛno nso aka ho nti ɛno saa no na wɔrekyerɛ case worker no sɛ ampa mo relationship no genuine and subsistent ɛna ɛsɛ wotumi kyerɛ sɛ both of you no are above the age of 18. Nti I know say Chrome ha nkola a moyɛ under 18 between 16 and 17 no betumi aware but omu hia consent. but sɛ woyɛ application a ɛsɛ ɔtumi kyerɛ sɛ you are 18 and above. Nti ɛno saa no nso na wɔrekyerɛ. And then they want you to also show sɛ saa nipa na wo sɛ ɛyɛ wo kunu anaasɛ wo yere no ɛyɛ sɛ wotumi kyerɛ sɛ ɔba a ɔne wo ɛbɛtena. Nti I've heard so many times say, me ne me yere na ɛbaeɛ anaasɛ me kunu na ɛbaeɛ or yɛ students but yɛnti mbom. They want you to show say ampa sɛ woba a anaasɛ mode nkrataa no ma wo a ampa mobɛtena abom as a kunu ne yere anaa as partners. Nti ɛno nso saa ɛwɔ hɔ. Nti as part of all of these requirements, you have to be able to show say these are the things that make you partners and I said these are the things that make you a kunu and a yere. And then when it comes to ABA, let's say sa akola no a wo say wo pese wo de ne ba. Akola no nso sa no na ye hwe say sa nimpa na wo say eye wo ba no. Wo ne wo kunu na maba no ɛsɛ wotumi kyerɛ sɛ moyɛ application no together with the child. And I say ebia wo a woyɛ student no wo ne wo kunu aba afei na mokɔfa akola no nso aba. Ɛsɛ motumi kyerɛ sɛ mowɔ asetena ɛwɔ kurom ha nti mokɔfa akola no nso abɛka mo ho ɛwɔ kurom ha. Sɛ ebia students na ɔwɔ kurom ha oni yere anaasɛ oni kunu nti ɛyɛ ɔno nko a but ne ba bi ɛwɔ fie nti ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔfa akwadaa ne ba ɛsɛ otumi kyerɛ sɛ either sɛ akwadaa ne papa anaasɛ ne maame efirim anaasɛ akwadaa no a ɔrehwɛ no no ɔno ankasa student no ɛwɔ sole responsibility for saa akwadaa no a ɔrehwɛ no no nti ɛno nso saa no ɛsɛ ɔkyerɛ saa sole responsibility. Anaasɛ because of situation sɛnea nneɛma ayɛ sukuu so bad nti there are compelling reasons anaasɛ compassionate reasons a saa akwadaa no ɛyɛ sɛ ɔbɛka wo nsa ɛwɔ kurom ha. Nti either both parents are here anaasɛ moyɛ application no together anaasɛ students nankasa no ɔno ankasa ɛna ɛrehwɛ akwadaa yi nti ɛsɛ sɛ ɔno nso etumi kyerɛ sɛ because ɔno ankasa na ɛrehwɛ no no ɔpɛ sɛ akwadaa no ɛbɛka ne nsa ɛwɔ kurom ha. Nti those with children anaasɛ for one reason or the other woyɛ student ɛna wabɛwɔ ɛwɔ kurom ha ɛno nso saa no nso wobɛtumi ayɛ application no showing the birth certificate of akwadaa no but ɛyɛ sɛ ɔmo hu who the parents of the child are. Nti sɛ woka sɛ wo ne obi awo nti ebia nipa korɔ no EU anaasɛ nipa korɔ no ɛwɔ settlement ɛwɔ kurom ha anaasɛ nipa korɔ no koraa mpo ɛwɔ leave to remain. Ɛsɛ wo din ɛne ɔpapa din anaasɛ wo din ɛne ɔmaame din ɛwɔ saa birth certificate no so ansa na woetumi ayɛ some sort of application no ama akwadaa no. Into those are the relationship requirements. And then we have something in regards to the financial side of things. Into sɛ woba as a student usually ɔmo bɛka sɛ ɛsɛ wotumi kyerɛ sɛ wowɔ sika a wode bɛtua school fees. And apart from sika na wode bɛtua school fees no nso ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo hu sɛ wo a woyɛ student yi wowɔ sika kakra bi a wode bɛhwɛ wo ho. Nti wo didie mu sɛ wokɔtɔ ntadeɛ ne nneɛma a wowɔ biribi kakra ɛhyɛ wo ho. And so nkurɔfoɔ a wɔwɔ London no there's a different maintenance fee for every month ɛna nkurɔfoɔ no a wɔwɔ outside London no nso wɔwɔ different fee for every month. Nti sɛ wɔn say wo as a student you have to have maintenance then they expect say wo kunu anaasɛ wo yere no a ɔreba no nso ɛsɛ okura the same maintenance requirements as wo. They will not be paying school fees but wɔn pɛ sɛ wɔn hu sɛ wɔn bɛtumi ahwɛ wɔn nso wɔn ho. Nti usually they expect say ebia wo kunu anaasɛ wo ba no a ɔbɛka mo ho no ɛsɛ at least sɛ woyɛ obi a woyɛ student ɛwɔ London University anaasɛ London Educational Institution they expect sɛ saa nipa no will be able to show say ɔmo wɔ at least £845 every month ɛwɔ ɔmo account no mu to show say for that period which you be studying nti sɛ course no ɛyɛ 1 year course And then some to me chess almost 845 for every month be over years our course no. And then if the student is a student outside London, because outside London for the nyama bo da form kakra say nkrofo no more within the London area. In no no almost say at least as to me share say over £680 for every month na students no ebe no course. Into the course no year for 9 months you should be able to show that £680 for every month for the time period now omode ama saa students no so it is important say at least omutumi hu say saa ekunu anase yere anase akola no so obetumi a maintain no because as a student no oye adwuma kramp na mo say within term time no e say oye adwuma only 20 hours a week nti wonhyɛ da ntumi ɛnyɛ adwuma bebree because you are limited in the number of hours cramp na wobɛtumi de ayɛ adwuma no. Nti they expect sɛ nkurɔfoɔ no a ɛbɛka wo ho wo dependants no so they can work but unfortunately they also have to show some maintenance requirements no for every month. Ɛsɛ ɔmo hu for that period na saa students no ba kurom ha for. And then when they talk about you as a dependent partner anaasɛ akwadaa no nso saa dependent partner no at least sɛ wobɛtumi ayɛ adwuma a it's not limited to the 20 hours na wo kunu anaasɛ wo yere na ɔyɛ students no ɛyɛ adwuma for. Usually they expect that you'll be able to work. But there are some circumstances that almost say a dependent partner no entumi enye adwuma. And those circumstances are in regards to obia ebia ne student partner no ebia obey course which is below a degree level into ebia or higher education diploma nti sɛ woyɛ higher education diploma a ɔmo bɛka sɛ wo kunu anaasɛ wo yere no a wabɛka wo ho no unfortunately no ɔntumi ɛnyɛ adwuma nti you cannot also rely on public funds. You have to be able to maintain yourselves. Nti when it comes to ebi a ekunu anaasɛ ɛyere a ɔyɛ student na ɔrekyerɛ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ a lower undergrad course like a diploma, the dependent partner no, will not be able to work. And then also, if for instance, course na nipa no ebe no, if the course is for a 9 month or less than 9 month period, no, so they will say the partner of that student no will not be able to work. And so usually, everyone will be say, oh, I didn't know much from no so work not permitted. It is because wo student partner no, unfortunately, either that they are doing an undergraduate course which is less than a graduate course with like a diploma, and answer almost a course which is 9 months or less. Unfortunately, they will state on you or biometric card no so say you are not allowed to work. Into that is ultimately a show because they've already given the maintenance requirements and you don't have access to public funds because someone say betina krom ha you are doing your course and then you will leave until they will not give you access to public funds. Nti ɛsɛ sɛ wotumi kyerɛ sɛ saa sika wei nyinaa ɛda wɔ account mu ansa na ɔrebɛba. And it's also important to know say they will also want to see say ɛkunu anaasɛ ɛba no koraa mpo na ɔreba no they will be accommodated into ebia wo tenancy agreement anaasɛ wowɔ baabi a wobɛtumi apɛkye a then you should be able to show say saa nyimpa wei ɛbɛtumi ama wo ne wo kunu baabi ada anaasɛ wo ne wo kunu ne wo ba baabi ada. So in regards to ɛno nso saa no na you are showing say as much as possible you have a place to stay in regards to nyimpa na ɔreba no. Then, in terms of the duration of the stay now, they will give you the same amount of period that oyere anase wo kunu na oye students no ewo. Nti sɛ students no eba for a course which is for let's say 8 months and a bit na ebia wedi 2 months answer na wo count no ho no, they will give you up to the same time as students no ewo. They will not give you more than students na or UK Chrome ha. They will give you exactly up to the time as students no ewo. And then they will also have to make sure say nimpa no ɛbɛyɛ another course and then they will have to show say me dependents na me de na aba no ebi me bɛyɛ application for another course nti mepɛ sɛ me dependent anaasɛ me kunu anaasɛ me ba no ɛka application no ho because me san abɛyɛ another course ɛwɔ kurom ha nti mepɛ sɛ ɔmo ka application no ho and then they will give them the same period na ɔmo bɛma students na ɔreba no. Nti it's exactly the same period of time and they will include no recourse to public funds, including the fact sɛ nimpa no ɛyɛ student a obetumi ayɛ adwuma for 20 hours. Sɛ nimpa no ɛyɛ course which is for a period of 9 months or more there, then their dependent partner no nso will be able to work for an unlimited period of time. In no Sano, they will not put any embargo on time saa ne kunu no anaasɛ ne yere no ebetumi ayɛ adwuma. But course no diploma for instance anaasɛ course no for a 9 month period or less then they will say the partner no ntumi ɛnyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ kurom ha. Nti Irene, wei na yɛde bɛhyɛ aseɛ in terms of your main topic no for ende.
Your lawyer Eunice, yeah, that I see bebre. Say me pick it up accommodation, cost of living, the fact say, London no, I was sure, saying outside London, ain't it? My quite considerate with that. They've not given the same figure, for both sides, which is reasonable. Well, the Afians I do with you then to her higher 92.4 FM, Rainbow Radio, yeah, live in Suwa DAB Plus. Lawyer Eunice, every wise smart solicitors, Lawyer Eunice free BWF Solicitors, and only did you mind? BWF Solicitors are located at 4th floor of the Anna House. 4th floor of Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, 7 Sisters, London N15 4NP. Sir, upesa wonsa eka BWF Solicitors me pacho ye wo lawyers bebre wo ho enti na mesa me de betu dwe lawyer unit number na edikan 075 35 813910. Lawyer Eunice Nama me repeat TBM 075 35 813910. Lawyer Richard A 079 60201500. Lawyer Richard 07960201500. Ena uko Uncle Ben opemu no ankasa ne number 077 1276 1884. Se upe omo office landline number na 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. Say BWF for December crazy be. Unity information atudra question no na answer na meye sa no ofrefuo bi aba homa ne sunti no ye befa no na ye wi ayato aso lawyer Eunice.
Catch you.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Eunice, good morning. Sorry.
Morning.
Your family, Amma. Now, me person this question before student we know home. My sister Baboy, or the application call, but almost far a man, only a certain name, almost some good social. They say January is not baby school. My person who say, and year too late. So, no, almost the man I okay, so, but I could give you son. Almost go so more university, but almost far.
Okay. I know say in terms of the student visas, no, usually say you can apply 3 months before the start of the course. Um
Okay.
they expect say usually almost granted within 8 weeks, sometimes almost say 6 to 8 weeks. Into
Mhm.
I know during this period there might be a lot of applications into I'm hoping it's an end delay, but they usually make these decisions quickly within 6 to 8 weeks. Hopefully,
Mhm.
no, I'll bet say on Kano before the January starts, no. I mean, name time or the
Mhm.
application, no too, but they usually say you can make the application at least even 3 months before our start a course, no. And they know say
Oh,
bit to
okay.
buy and say that is for no, yeah.
Oh, okay. What do 2 months? Almost 2 months in it. And you say it's almost after to crana a too late. So be quite quite maybe this was
There
another
into
next year na.
say almost the man no crampo now. Let's say no course no almost shall say 1st of January. Now almost the
Yeah.
man no let's say 31st of December. Still now over to me the and no room, but he has to inform the
Oh,
school and say I feel na wenya. In
mhm.
at every point, no, he
Oh,
has to
okay.
be able to inform the school of what's going on. Send your school no so wait to me who
Oh,
say
okay.
okay, say. Yeah,
Until one or match me that's my ministry.
yeah,
Yɛda
mention.
wase nyame
Yeah.
nhyira wo.
Okay.
Yo,
Bye bye.
bye. Yo, sɛnea yɛn nuabaa no frɛeɛ no ɛm sɛ yɛmmerɛ nɔɔso ɛnti no as we go along in that lawyer unit educate yɛn no mepaw kyɛw sɛ wo nso wopɛ sɛ wofrɛ a numbers a wobɛfrɛ neɛ ɛyɛ 0208 133 4646 0208 133 4646. Wopɛ sɛ wo nsɛne yɛn WhatsApp message anaasɛ normal text message 07771 950 989 07771 950 989 enti mepatwɛw wobɛtumi ewura mu lawyer Eunice be answer wo question ama fɛfɛfɛfɛfɛfɛ na yɛatoa so enti lawyer Eunice. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Minya beti saying.
Mpacho boko na muso
Yes, yeah, my pa. Yo, me pacho la Eunice say to you.
Mpacho you, thank you. Good morning, Lawyer Eunice. Me
Good morning.
pacho me wo menya caution. Me back to a PFFA without my knowledge. Me me caution. It's been 6 years, and Mate say after 6 years, no, nke we say omu yifi so ba me koye DBS no estela e wo so. Na me say bisa say mo betumi aboa me because menya me obi say ni we bi bre me say wo say nka efi so me kwakoye na nka efi so 6 years no so aba pa ho but recently me koye no me koye na eda ho da so nti say mo betumi aboa me na we efi so na say e true am pa say after 6 years na betumi efi so a pacho the question no.
Nti nneɛma bi te sɛ cautions anaa ɔmoma wo fines anaa penalty notice and all of those things. Sɛ ebi a let's say sɛ because of the time passage, some take 3 years, some take 6 years, others take even longer. Nti let's say because of fine a wowɔ no na ɔmo aka sɛ ɛbɛ take it 6 years ansa na ɛfiri so. Usually during that time, it has to um, go from their system. No say omuma or caution in things like that. I always say it's always best to also do the DBS check again. Into let's say if they gave it to you in February of 2017, and I will check it say 6 years now, but you want to be able to wait until February of 2023 and sana when who say apaho into there's nothing on my records anymore. I don't know how exactly you are calculating it, but it should be
Yeah,
that.
pacho omo de mame July 2016. Into September 2016, Yana Masaya Kwakoye be my fisua, but the Dahodaso.
Sometimes it could be that some of the things that they are looking at into ABA will question now no. They are saying say because of the fact say yeah they amount for this time period no. Okay, any other let's say from so in regards to Kolana, they will try and bring it up again to say because of the fact that ABA wakoye be before no and see we'll still keep it there until we see that ABA there has been some sort of improvement. I'm not sure why it hasn't come off the system. I know they're going to
Yeah,
me and
because yeah, after that, I mean, yeah, issue be with any of my children. But what they me yeah say nka me kwenye adwuma anka me friend say my course anka me kwenye TA, and that was with children. Until I say call yeah DBS and then it came up again, and I waited for 6 years to pass, but
pass,
it's like
yeah.
I wasn't I confused kakra. No,
Try the lawyers will not be able to do anything because police records so into and also Sano, you can't just go and take anything off their records. Into if you like, you can also visit your local police station and say that this is what happened 6 years ago. You've been waiting for it to pass from your record, but still now okay DBS check no it was so you want to find out why. And to try visiting your local police and see what they say.
Okay. Miriamba, say, obeko police station, no betimi aboa. Like Eunice, who say oba ntimi enya ho hwe. And that's one thing I like about BWF. Waste your time akra. Second caller, me pacho. When ya no. Good morning.
Good morning, Pastor Emia.
You me pacho mia, your friend was saying.
Okay, Pastor Efrem Karim.
Okay, yeah. Like Eunice 8 this awesome.
Yo, me Pastor, me were a pre-settle over UK, but since you are no mini UK ho, and can person with my family eba, ebia is there 3 or 4 months time. But since you are no mini ho, do more pre-settle ho. That me person me bisa say me application say me provide accommodation answer na because nka me say me application if you are nanka ma pedant na me do maba na me bi say me bi accommodation answer o ma accept ya na
Pastor say will sayamba because when they are coming, they need to be able to contact you to say ampa o krom ha ana o kwache wo baby a wo no.
but messing aba ho de so
Yeah.
maybe I be can be person can me application na ka me no mu nyina aba for
Oh, okay. Because this is something that keeps happening time and time again. So mobile airports na almost shim say nipa na also over ne hono or he because they keep tabs, especially with biometric passports. Into they know when the person is in and out of the country because the records on their system will show say if according to Kwanse Mwamba until that time wait because all of that information is picked up from the passport. So, oh yeah, application now I always say says advisable say um who say oh to crime bebree that you are in this country. In see and no sign say oh yeah application now there's no requirement under appendix E you say oh but say oh dying. Into no sign the home office caseworker is not looking to see say a be an nipakono e were dying say and answer over to me in a suitable accommodation. We just put that in there so that at least the caseworker will be addressed say at least nipa na okofa na aba no obenya baby ada but there's no such requirement under your appendix EU. The only thing that you need to show is say only sa nipa no ever relationship mo so yeah then you have to show say na year before 31st December 2020. In say your area, you have to show say no your year before 31st December 2020. So your bar so to make sure say akola no ebia or you're under 21 into me up to this point. So or you're
So
above
hold on, right? Hold on, me
Or
pass
you
line
above
two.
21 there, and there's so to make sure says actually because Mashano evidence are HSA Mashano both financially, and I've supported them in terms of their essential needs, to say Diane fear mudemu intade omubeshe nya kasa na mehwe sakole the didium the BBM into if the child is over 21 and so to make sure dependency nti ɛno no saa no na bɛtumi akɔfa wɔn aba.
Okay, into line, it's time say you have a free line, so but you will another caller on the line. What I want to verify is it advisable for him to do the application whilst he's over there with the family, or it's advisable say Obeba UK na wabe sorti an accommodation in the BBA na obia na we invite I application so
Application,
that he
I
can
think
prove
it's
all of these things.
advisable for him to be here and then make the application, because at the end of the day, they have it on their record, say Nipa way Juma, and we always show evidence which is current. Into say, oh yeah, Juma Krampona, we will always present like current pay slips and bank statements. And usually the case is that you will have to show some form of current evidence to show that you are still here before the application is made. Into when to me and share any current documentation, they'll be thinking, I'm probably or to
Mm. Yeah, yeah. In Timini Abema, you have to come back here and do the application. Well, now number ended 513. Sorry, I dropped you, but there is a caller on the line. Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Pacha Monte saying.
Yeah, who you now answer?
Eunice, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacha, my question is me. My question is me. No, but I say, because me here abba. Na me here no Ghana. You have British passport. You're self-employed. Na me nyabi wo wo. Le ba wo ja no. Na ma sha pra no a. Mbese me yen le ba koka ho le ba si no so ba ne ba obi na wo hwa akra no. Akwanya nyam na wo no die. Na me nua na wo no wo. Na wa hwe no a si no wo 14 years. Oba ne ba pe akra no obi na wo hwe no. Bia se akwanya wo sa so oba betimi na onaba. Tos me no say priority service no bia se umda so ye ana omagyae. That's it.
In regards to what fast no, Pacho Bebre say any adoption now it will be very difficult. But what their friend na yen akwenya ewo ho a obesumi edeno aba. Priority service no there. Usually I know say oh yeah outside UK applications are for settlement applications na omoma sa priority service no into it is not available to all applications into and also sa so na wahye so.
Okay. Line one. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
It's the same. Uvim wo from
Yeah.
pound.
Yeah, good morning. This is Aboko.
I don't want to try and I was swear.
I don't know. I'll tell you one quick questions today about the seasonal workers, I'm working on them. Yeah, but now I can say, me and my minion, the last time I met this, I say, or like £1,200 on account to no more. I bet me I am, but let me just say, with the immigration rules, no. ABR ono ni scan okra oni account kra nti afei na send scanner man no will be account nti ebet me affecting na say oya enye yi. And my second question is to say me me kroma oye uni but me won kwala be say to ofie a me pese me for omombra. But friends say so responsibility no. Let me the Oma Bana send me for Mumba. Yeah, because me na mission kola me BPA, but Omo mami sufi, Omo mami for. But many reality and one what say let me for Moaba, but me me kunya let me for so Eddie Moaba. The questions now.
In regards to Wono, I think say because we were EU settlement scheme no so no. there isn't any requirements in regards to sole responsibility and I say oh ka say nkwala ne maame free mu and I say bibisa under the appendix EU there is no such requirement nkrofo da yeah immigration rules are say in the British for ne nkrofo kra leave to remain and I say indefinite leave to remain na was our requirements we so nti ɛno no stand because wɔyɛ obi a wokra pre-settled and
Yeah, make it settled
settled
status.
nti wokita settled status ɛna wo yere nso ɛyɛ EU national pakyɛ sɛ ɛno korɛ
Yeah, okay.
nti because of ɛno nti no woyɛ application no under appendix EU they are looking to see what the relationship is nti sɛ wo sɛ ɔmo yɛ wo mba then you have to prove sɛ ɔmo yɛ wo mba ampa and then usually we add things to show say ampa una wohwɛ ɔmo just so that the caseworker is assured in his mind and as her mind say you are making the application because you are a father to these children and you want to bring them to the UK and see if they are over the age of 21 then you will have to show say they are depending on you and see
Opinion or I think or 13 and a kid to
okay
12 and a half.
Okay, into someone now yeah under 21 yeah, then all you need to show is more original birth certificate and that's all by DNA to prove say omo yomba. Because usually so this birth certificates now a new one e come out the chances are that they are likely to say omo yomba because of the period of time aba omo a yes birth certificate no into omo into me
Waiting the make kaipa me ya woman. Na mi ofi na wo mo ntimi ma ya ma mo any your friend saying we said to no na wo weighing card bi and I say omo man small one no.
yes.
The original one since they are there for me na ya keep wo.
Perfect. So and na ewo hɔ there, then you will submit and run a weighing book note to be able to show say
Okay,
ampa
and
within was so as
Madam
papa.
Eunice, me ba be hu. Me ba only me pa me your client.
Mate,
Member office. Yeah, why
Mate,
you mama me
Mate,
2 times event for Kwalano.
Mate.
Okay, I say on kind my bit of Kwala we asem da.
Hey, I'm
Okay.
in confirm brave. It's a me to my voice na me ti a me de kai.
Yeah, Masud. But
Ah,
friend is a
okay,
little
okay,
than a
okay,
fear.
okay, okay.
Yeah,
Mhm,
yeah,
mhm,
one or yeah, Mr. Status, baby. Masud.
mhm,
It's member
mhm.
office or my account
Mate,
Kwalana asem.
Yo, me na be
Mate.
ma yeda si bebre.
Me that's
Yo,
right.
yeda si bye. Pacho, ubetimi ebisa wasem. Ye ne emre bebre nti mu twatwa so ma yen. Yeah.
Yeah, good morning, Madam Watipa, Jumandi Amudi. Achanan person busa a lawyer say, Mrs. Tabako, you worry, waja worry and worry before a December 2020 no. No, see Musa Bani say, so person worry, so no, they man be here English test and patcho no, because she
Osi Ojai Warrior and Osan Warrior before 31st December 2022. Pacha Sana Okanyana.
and the patcho I.
And Opesa Osan Warrior View.
Wa worry mpansa wa worry for before December 2022 no e wo fie na afi
Okay.
na opese de ne kunu ne ba
Okay.
na
Okay.
awsime mu so mo se obi ni hye na ye requirement na
So Warrior before 31st December 2020, there is no English requirement and answer financial requirement and now campus say accommodation. Inti eno no sa no or be application no under appendix EU family permit routes. No sa no or kyerɛ sɛ ne kunu no ɔware no before sa 31st December 2020 ampa ɔmo yɛ awareɛ nti what messages are almost telephone calls ọmọ bɛfrɛ ọmọ no sɛ ọmọ ma ne each other sika a saa receipt wei nyinaa ne call logs ne messages and all of that no ọmọ de bɛka application no ho nti there are no other apart from the fact that ọmọ wɔ relationship mu before 31st December 2020.
Sure, Lawyer Eunice, Yenya Beman, I hope you said Lawyer Eunice answer our question. Kama. Yeah, share Brenna, you what just about 3 minutes to the top of the hour. I feel as I do a video not to a higher Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM, your DAB Plus and so, and I will Facebook Rainbow Radio UK, and I pay your name BWF Solicitors, Lawyer Eunice, or Nuna or Tna Kundra Kasianimu. Eddie legal hour Eddie Bray. Me who say nam phone no air ring pa mema just one last caller the opportunity to ask their question. Please try and be quick. Yo, if I should be so awesome. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good
Pastor Medeli is
Yeah.
me Eunice, our Ghana. Now, after that, I started, your first nursing school, 12th of this December, or 19 years old. Now, person I come in a back animal. Now, on the ground, never knew until me na Sakolano. Me strategies are. Me man school no Ghana nursing na say, animal. Let me say for be man. No, only nursing no, because admission was started on the 12th of December within 2 weeks time.
I will say, because we did 19, no, my name Twan lesson or so. I'm sure, say, oh yeah, obey to me crampo abaha as one of the skilled workers are almost care workers, ne nurses, ne kekahono, obey to me aba because say, oh yeah, EU ni, say one cassa when you EU ni, and answer who can phone any EU ni, dear, then it will be difficult for him.
British. Sorry, me more British and EU.
How? Into the EU in Catalan Kita.
I mean, EU, and me far British, me naturalized to British.
Okay, so now you are British. Does your EU country allow you to have both British and EU citizenship?
Yes. Which now, Ukraine. But me EU passport, me renew the bill.
Okay, and so you have dual citizenship.
Yes. Well, yeah, dual citizenship.
But now you are a British citizen. Because what it is that say we are EU ni now one naturalized as British, then you are no longer under your appendix EU no so. So if you are going to bring somebody crampona, it will not they will not look at the application as somebody who is under the EU route. Or who nipa chrono as obia or based on somebody who is British and as a settled here in the UK. Into as soon as she said she's 19, no, I was like, oh no. Into definitely, she will have to find a way on her own to be able to come because I offer say na call your background na still na it will be quite difficult for her to come because of the age. Into either says she's under the age of 18 and then you are trying to bring her and I say because within 19 into each that she comes on the work or skilled worker route or she comes as a student into say oh sika ube to me I application amano so or bahanum as a student into sika would be to your school fees no I know says over £15,000 and then you have to be able to show say you maintain her for every month that she has the course into say a 9-month course you have that amount of money in the account for every month into you should be able to show say roughly speaking you have about £25,000 in your account to bring her as a student into you have the student option you also have the skilled worker option into you can look both ways and then when you feel you have come to a dead end na wafrɛ na you to me abwa.
Yo, it's here for a higher Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM. And I would DAB Plus in so. And I pay any BWF Solicitors and I HH and Como. Yemmer as to me who say move for Bebre. Now so no yemmer naso. Ain't he? Mema lawyer Eunice Eden and last was at to draw. We are contact information via Mubeti me affair or Momo office line in Bibia. Ye the bet to just any bear Mubeti me affair or Mona Makwaku home. Lawyer Eunice, over to you.
Pasha me kwana me line no so into me my colleague Annie so Kabibi in short in regards to your topic na ye can who asem and there into Annie Pacho Obekano wo poto kasanim into
Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Annie Akofiosoa. And first of all, happy new month to everyone watching us on all the different platforms such as YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook. So today I'll be providing a summary of the topic that we dealt with. The question for today was, can I apply as a dependent partner or child of an international student in the UK? So we first of all looked at the relationship requirement, and let's start off with the partner definition. So under Appendix Student, a partner firstly can be someone who you're married to. So let's say your husband or your wife, and you would simply have to provide your marriage certificate. Alternatively, it could be your unmarried partner, so someone that you have been cohabiting with for at least 2 years. So you'd provide details that you have been sharing your address for 2 years. So that can, for example, include utility bills. Lastly, a partner can be a civil partner. Now, in terms of a dependent child, this is a child who is under the age of 18. We then also looked at the financial requirement in order to bring in a dependent partner or child. So if you are studying in London, your dependent has to have £845 monthly in their account. And if you're studying outside of London, they have to have £680 in their account. And as lawyer Eunice said, this is quite considerate of the Home Office because they realize that people outside of London perhaps are not earning as much as people in London. Lawyer Eunice also mentioned accommodation, so you have to prove that the dependents that you're bringing in, that you have enough space in your accommodation to accommodate them. So for example, you could provide your tenancy agreement. Now, it was also mentioned that your dependents would receive the same leave as you. So let's say that you receive your student visa and it expires perhaps, let's say, on the 30th of December 2023. That is the same time that your dependent's leave will expire. And in certain circumstances, dependents can work, whilst in certain circumstances they cannot work, and this all just depends on the student's course and how long it lasts for. So if their course is for more than 9 months, then their dependents can work. However, if it's just a diploma, for example, 6 months, then they will not be able to work. Now, I'm just wrapping up, but I'd like to mention the December quiz, which has started from today. And it will be running until Friday, the 23rd of December. And as you can see, there are 3 prizes. So the first winner would receive 2 weeks paid holiday in Ghana, and this would include their flight ticket and accommodation, which is absolutely exciting. The second winner would receive a prize of £500, and the last winner, the third winner, would receive a prize of £200. So as I said, the quiz is starting from today, and please have a look at our social media handles in order to receive more information about the quiz. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and thank you, Lawyer Eunice. Thank you, BWF Solicitors. And then, and I remember my acquiring na yede edumadie nesi. Adrasa is next, so please stay tuned. And thank you all for listening. Like Eunice, Yame Adomoa, yet that's a ne, Yebesan Asia, Yami Enshamuina, baby. Bye bye.
That's it.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws, there are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
Hello, I think say na Annie also in terms of your quiz na you this month. Now me pese me ma ehun rules kakra. In terms of your quiz, no, we will try as much as possible to give each person a minute to be able to answer as many questions able to me ebisa senya able to me any time dodoɔ a yɛbɛtumi de ayɛ program no nso at least sɛ wotumi answer questions no dodoɔ within 1 minute na yɛtumi de wo ato prize draw no mu. There are a list of questions, but I know say even 1 minute might not be enough for each person. Hopefully, no. Next week, no, na yetumi ahyɛ aseɛ in terms of nkurɔfoɔ a wɔbɛfrɛ dwumadie etumi ebisa questions dodoɔ no. Na ɛndɛ yɛnhyɛ da ɛne mbrɛ no nti sɛ next week mo pɛ sɛ mo join the quiz na ansa na mobɛbisa mo questions no na yɛde ato so sɛ wopɛ sɛ wo take part in quiz na yɛbisa wo nsɛm no for 1 minute na yɛbisa wo questions dodoɔ a na yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhu answers a wode bɛma nti sɛ wobisa question no yɛbisa question no na woma answer na yɛ time o nti questions dodoɔ a wobɛnya no right no na yɛde ato hɔ nti obi twa na we try a lot of questions no dia then we will put them in the prize draw nti next week no yɛnhyɛ no nso for that period over to ask your questions no na yɛbisa wo sɛ wopɛ sɛ wotake part in quiz no anaasɛ wompɛ sɛ wobɛtake part in quiz no na yɛ time for that 1 minute with questions dodoɔ no a yɛwɔ no nti tumi ansa no a na yɛtumi ɛdi dwumadi no fɛfɛɛfɛ. Nti next week patcho yɛnhyɛ no nso na yɛntumi enjoy it with your quiz no. Yɛda ase bebree.